Neighbours. Harrietta's just got her teddy. That used to be mine when I was like 6 years old. Now it's Harrietta's, isn't it, boo-boo? Hi neighbors, welcome back to another video, Cooking with Neighbours. Inside Jerry Ellen. I'm making a salad today with a pasta salad with the Orzo pasta. I'll wait my knife. It's summer and barbecue, so it's nice to have some options of some salads. So I thought this one I would do today. I'm just going to get a cup of it. A little more than a cup of it. Just a little more than a cup. I'm going to salt this water. And it's boiling already. Doesn't take long to cook. My package just says to your desired texture, so I put it on for 5 minutes. It take maybe 6, but check on it if you're making this. I'm just washing these tomatoes before I start chopping them. Got some cherry tomatoes, and I got a colander in my sink that I would be putting veggies in and washing them up. How is everybody doing? Enjoying summer? Or busy? Gardening? What's your day like? What's your summer like so far? Ours, the weather is now warmed up quite a bit, and we're just hanging out at home, hoping that our doggie gets better. I'm recording this just before we take her back to the vet. And see what our options are and see what's best for her. And yeah, that's coming up this week, but this might be going out just after that. I'll keep you posted anyway. I'm just you want to know what? I'm going to do these small. I'm chopping them like I do my Greek salad, but I'm doing these small. I want a small dice. You know, kind of small. So just 1 second. My doggy wants me. I'll be right back. My sidekick wanted in her bed there. So an English cucumber. I washed it. I'm going to wash it again now. And I put some stripes using my peeler in my cucumber because I like the way that it looks when I do that. Check my pasta. Putting it on for 2 more minutes. Cut the end off my cucumber. Because I'll show you the size of the pasta. Because it's small, I don't want all these other pieces of vegetables to be too big. Because then it might not look so pretty. And I want it to look nice too. I'm not caring for uniform look. It's just my fam here. And they's not fussy. They just want it to taste good. The gang's all here. Got Mooney and Damos and Harrietta in the kitchen. I took out my smaller strainer thingy so I don't lose my pasta. See how little they are? I lost a few. I'm going to do onion. I'm just making thin slices, and then I'm going to cut those slices in half at least, or so, thirds. Just like that. Put as little or as much as you want of that. The tomatoes. I'm not sure, depending on, you cut them the size that you want, but some of them I'll just half and some of them I'll quarter. Casey had an idea because we like making a lot of different dressings and like salad dressings. So he thinks maybe I should do a video on a couple. So probably do that soon. It's so colorful having these tomatoes I got here. See? Oh, nice and colorful. Just cool. And I want to run my pasta in cold water to stop it from cooking, basically. I don't want it to be mushy, especially in a salad. The amount of tomatoes I'm using is probably going to use like 2.5 cups of cut up, chopped up, whatever, diced up. Yeah, it's just cool. That's probably good. Nice and colorful. Yeah, this is the weekend I'm filming this. Sunday of the Memorial Day long weekend in the US. Now, what we're going to do here. Like 1/4 cup or a little bit more of olive oil. Same. I want to bring it up to 2/3 of the cup, say, or 1/2 cup. Adding the vinegar. Let me see, 2/3 of a cup adding the vinegar. We like a lot of dressing in there. Some lemon. When you're squeezing the lemon, let me move that out of your way, sorry. When you're squeezing the lemon, you put this side facing up. My lemon is washed. Sounds funny, but it's true. That's the way that you gotta do it. Get the juices out. Oops. You can add some feta cheese to this. That's nice too. But if you're having it out, you know, you might not want to have the cheese. And oregano, a little bit of oregano, teaspoon. And a titch of sugar, a teaspoon. Doesn't have to emulsify. Salt on the tomatoes and everything. It'll create a juice too after adding salt. How come that doesn't want to work for me? There you go. Okay, now tasty poo. Quick tasty poo. So I want to make something else. Yep. And like I said, we like a lot of dressing in ours because we usually put out some crusty bread and then we use it like pick up some salad and then we like using the crusty bread and some of the dressing. So anyhow, there's Puppy. I'd be out hanging with hubby and helping him out there, but I don't like to leave my dog. So I like to stay with her. And he likes for someone to be with her anyway. And it's too hot outside for her. So yeah. Anyway, peace, love, God bless. Please come back again. Like, share, subscribe. All that helps my channel. And bye.